want to share the Photoshop and Illustrator how to design with low specs laptop for those who want to design with low specs. Then what they do with first of all, when you create a new file, you can use also Control N, but I want to use this, and here I select the I want to use the custom design for 6 and 4. Now you can see here is the resolution in pixel, and I want to use in pixel also. And here I select 6 and 4, and I want to share this design on social media. As I just create a social media post on it. Then I want to use only 72 pixel resolution. Now create and design everything you want to design there. Like I want to create a design with 2 laptops first. That's good. I choose this. Here, and then this second laptop I choose from here. For these 2 laptops, I want to use a background from just Google a background. Just pick a background and use here. I like this. Okay, I download it and use it here. Just vertical and use it here. And also I want to add my VSL's logo drop here. Okay. Okay, that's good. And I want to use here my title. I pick my title from here. Best budget laptop for graphic design. Just paste it here and change the color. I use red. Okay, this dark red. It's okay. And I also want to use some stroke. And Okay, that's good. And now best budget laptop, and I use it in this style. The line spacing is not good, so I want to. The line spacing is not good, and now it's okay. I use it like that. Okay. Now it's okay. I feel it's okay. And then I picked up a rectangle here, here to here. It's okay. It's okay. I want to use it for. And now it's okay. You can see my design is ready, and my laptop has a not much good enough specs, and I create a beautiful setting for my this article. And also you can use it if for some of reasons I use another any of this thing I pick, and I want to use it not much. These layers are not in my use now, so I close these layers, and then I can release the load of my laptop. Okay, now it came here, and if I feel it is good for my design, now this layer is not in use, so I delete this. It can reduce the load of my design. Okay, then save it. Because I want to create a JPG file here. Okay, it is first method. And second method, if you want to create a large for printing purpose file, then if your file is 12 by 8, then you use only 300 pixel resolution and then create it. And if you want to use 2 by 3 design, then use it for 600 or 700 pixel, then it will give you good result on the printing. Okay, you create it and export it. Okay, and also if you want to use the printing purpose, then you use color of CMYK. Okay, that's it. We will meet in our next any article or next tutorial. Inshallah. Bye.